At Land Euro 2025, Swiss innovator Fotokite showcased its latest advancement in unmanned aerial systems with the Rooftop Box Drone, a tethered, vehicle-mounted drone designed specifically for emergency responders and public safety professionals. Built on the proven Fotokite Sigma platform, this system offers fully autonomous deployment from the roofs of SUVs and heavy emergency vehicles with a simple push of a button, requiring no manual piloting. The drone operates via a reinforced, ultra-thin tether cable, which supplies uninterrupted power and real-time data transmission, bypassing the need for onboard batteries or wireless communication. This design allows it to function independently of GPS signals and meet stringent public safety aviation standards, enabling both professional and volunteer police and firefighting units to operate the system safely, even within regulated airspace. Tethered drones like Fotokites are favored in controlled airspace environments due to their fixed operational radius and limited altitude, typically no more than 45 meters, which simplifies regulatory compliance and enhances operational reliability. The tether continuously feeds electricity from the ground station, enabling flights that can extend beyond 24 hours as long as the host vehicle remains powered or connected to external power sources. A built-in winch system manages the cable during all phases of flight, ensuring smooth takeoff, stable flight, and safe landing. Measuring 764 by 594 by 273 mm and weighing 29 kg, the rooftop box houses the drone itself, which is crafted from durable, weather-resistant carbon fiber composites and weighs just 1.3 kg. The unit's IP55 rating confirms its ruggedness, allowing it to withstand harsh weather conditions including rain, snow, and strong winds. Equipped with a radiometric thermal camera capable of detecting temperatures between -40 degrees Celsius and 400 degrees Celsius with high accuracy, alongside a low-light RGB camera offering 1080p video and up to 16x hybrid zoom, the drone delivers precise and stabilized imaging through a 3-axis gimbal. Operators can control the camera and access telemetry data such as altitude, heading, and location via Photokite's live software on Windows, iOS, and Android devices. Live video streams are secured by WPA2 Wi-Fi encryption or transmitted over an integrated LTE modem, with the system supporting up to 50 simultaneous remote viewers. Safety and redundancy are integral to the design, featuring backup power systems for both flight and ground station to maintain controlled recovery in case of power interruptions. Automated pre-flight checks, tether separation detection, and real-time maintenance alerts further enhance mission assurance. The rooftop box has gained trust worldwide, deployed by major agencies such as the New York Police Department, Los Angeles Fire Department, Paris Fire Brigade, and several fire and rescue units across Europe and North America. Its applications span fire monitoring, hose coordination, post-incident thermal inspections, traffic surveillance, and crowd control during large public events. Integration with platforms like Axon Respond and Evidence.com facilitates seamless digital documentation and incident management, while partnerships with companies like Cradlepoint and Drone Responders ensure secure network connectivity in the field. This rooftop box is part of a family of Fotokite Sigma configurations that include mobile transport cases and fixed vehicle trays, all sharing the same core flight platform and autonomous features. These variants support over-the-air software updates and secure data management without requiring pilot certification or extensive operator training, enabling efficient use of personnel resources during critical deployments. Founded in 2014 as an ETH Zurich spin-off and now headquartered in Zurich with an office in Boulder, Colorado, Photokite secured 10 million Swiss francs in Series B funding in April 2024. This capital injection is fueling expansion in international markets, R&D, and production. The company's strategic focus remains on public safety, with products already operating on 6 continents and distributed via partners in the USA, Germany, Switzerland, and beyond. Participation in EU and Swiss-funded projects, including Horizon 2020 initiatives, highlights Photokite's commitment to advancing aerial situational awareness and emergency response technology. In the expanding niche of tethered drone systems, competitors such as Eli Steyr, Hoverfly, and Zenith Aerotech also offer solutions emphasizing continuous power and secure data links. While these drones have limited movement compared to free-flying UAVs, their ability to remain airborne indefinitely without battery swaps, resistance to signal interference, and simplified regulatory clearance make them ideal for sustained observation missions. Photokite's rooftop box, with its rapid deployment, vehicle integration, and rugged design, stands out as a vital tool for law enforcement, firefighting, traffic management, and urban incident monitoring where persistent, reliable aerial presence is paramount.